name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman88. So I'm here to share this video, my tax preparation guide to a successful tax business that I've written, that I'm selling, which has a bonus that's worth the price of the guide by itself, along with Drake's software training as well as MyTaxPrepOffice software training. So those are the two different software that I use and train from. So based on which one you're using already or looking to use, is what you want to take advantage of the special offer that ends September the 6th, where you can purchase the guide, and as a result of purchasing the guide, you'll get 8 weeks of free Drake or MyTaxPrepOffice software training and assistance. The choice is up to you. So what you would do is you go to my website, which I'll leave the description inside the video, purchase the guide, and from there reach out to me, let me know you purchased the guide, and let me know which software training you want access to, either Drake or MyTaxPrepOffice, which I use the Essential, which is one that's designed for 1040s as well as partnerships and all those things. So that's the software training, the software access I have. And so when it comes to that, the bonus that I'm giving is 15 done for you tax returns. So if you're inexperienced, you don't have a lot of experience inside your tax preparation business, and you want support for the upcoming tax season, which starts January 2021, you'll get 15 done for you tax preparation returns, which simply means that if you come with me with 15 different clients that you've been able to go out there and get on your own, but you're not sure and confident on how to prepare those returns, I will do them for you and get with you and go through a Zoom training call to show you how I did them and how you explain those things that I did to your client to make it yours. And so that's what the bonus is about. It's a 3-day special offer in September the 6th, 12 p.m. Central, my time. Just purchase the guide from my website, which will be in the description box, and you'll get access to either Drake software training or MyTaxPrepOffice software training, based on either you using one of those softwares already or you looking to use one of those softwares, is what it's really all about. And so my mentorship program is designed to help tax preparation people who start their own tax preparation business from A to Z. I got people who don't have no experience at all, but they know in their heart they want to start their own tax preparation business. So I'm working with them right now to walk them through set up their own tax service, help them learn the basic income tax skills and knowledge, help them to how to operate an income tax business with real world experience and training inside my mentorship program. So that's what you're looking to get. That's what you feel you need, is the full package of my mentorship program, and not just purchasing a training course that's going to help you use the software, but utilize my mentorship program, which gives you access to Drake as well as MyTaxPrepOffice, depending on which one you want to use. If you want to learn how to use both, you have that option as a client inside my mentorship program. And then the things that you'll get as being a client of my mentorship program is going to help you fast track your success, help you to get ready for the upcoming tax season. We still have plenty of time for the right person who's going to get all in, be focused and dedicated to learning, implementing this stuff inside their business, and being able to be ready in January of 2021 for the 2020 tax season. So we have all of September left, all of October left, all of November left, and all of December left to walk you through and guide you through setting up your business. There's 4 steps. The first step is to be able to create a secure account. That's the most difficult step right now, because this is a new process that the IRS has implemented due to identity theft and things of that nature. They've locked down the website to the point now, when it comes to putting an e-file provider's application, we must be able to create a secure account first, just to be able to do that. Back in the day, we wouldn't have to go through that process. We had a process, but it wasn't. It was much simpler to make happen than the new process they have now. So what I'm trying to do now is find out, do they have alternative process for people who don't have things on the financial list? Because as a result of creating a secure account, you must have a credit card, auto loan, mortgage, line of credit, or maybe a student loan where you have account information that you get access to, where they can validate and verify you in order for you to create the secure account. And so that's a challenge I'm facing with people looking to start their own tax preparation business. So I told one lady who just reached out to me that if you're willing to apply for credit, get your credit card, then that'll be one of the things on the financial list that'll qualify you to help you create a secure account. And so those are the things you must be willing to do if you want to start your own tax preparation business. And so you can leverage my 19 years of experience, 13 years of business owner, and help you get that done and making that happen and get you ready for the upcoming 2020 tax season, which starts in January of 2021. Now, if you're one of those individuals who already got experience working for a tax preparation company and you have a hard desire to start your own tax preparation business, this is the time to take action. This is the time to reach out to me. This is the time to talk to me and let me guide you and walk you through what that's going to look like, what it's going to take for you to be successful and get started and be ready for the 2020 season, which starts in January of 2021. You know, so if you've been procrastinating and using all these different excuses on why you haven't started your own tax preparation business, the time is now. Because if you don't take action now, 9 out of 10 you will never take action. And so the cost of not taking action has cost you thousands of dollars in income because you haven't taken action on starting your own tax preparation business. Once you learn the tax preparation skills, and if you already got tax preparation skills and you're knowledgeable and you're confident and you're good at it, and you want to take your business to a whole other higher level by starting your own tax preparation business, this is the time to get with me. This is the time to reach out to me. This is the time to talk to me and let me find out where you're at in your journey, get to know you, get to know me. We do a Zoom consultation call and see if we're a good fit for one another and let you know what it's going to take for you to make that happen. For starting your own tax preparation business, is the time to take action. The time is right now. This pandemic, we don't know how long it's going to last. But the thing is, you want to position yourself where you got your own business, you got your own too legit to quit tax preparation business up and running for the 2020 season, where your financial destiny is in your hands. It's not in the hands of working for another tax preparation company, but it's in your hands where the money you make is going directly in your pocket. There's no middleman to the income that you can make with the tax preparation skills that you may have already or the skills you can possess. I've been in this industry and I've made over $3 million gross in tax preparation fees over the 19 years I've been here because I've been good at what I do. I'm knowledgeable at what I do. I'm in a big city like Chicago, so I got people falling all over me when it comes to finding and getting clients. That's not a problem. So if you live in a big city, you live in a big place where there's people everywhere, then you want to start spreading the word now that, hey, I'm starting my own tax preparation business. Leverage me. Leverage the fact that you got your mentor and a coach that's going to help you to make that happen. Let people know that so they'll feel more confident and comfortable in knowing that you're not trying to do this on your own and that based on your own understanding, your own limited education and knowledge, that you might muck it up. So you let people know, leverage me. Leverage the fact that you invested in yourself through somebody's mentorship and coaching program that's designed to fast track your success to get you where you want to go inside your business by having your tax preparation business set up and ready to go for the 2020 season. And so that's what I'm able to help you to do. I've done a video already that talks about the benefits or the end results of having your own tax preparation business as it relates to you working with me in my mentorship program. So if you check out the video, I'll leave a link description of that video inside the description area as well, where you can check that out, where I go through why you want to start your own tax preparation business and the benefits of that and what you'll get as a result of that. And those are the results and benefits and outcomes you're not getting right now because you're an employee. As an employee, you'll never get the type of benefits you'll get by being your own boss, by being a tax preparation business for yourself, where you make the key decisions that's going to determine the success or failure of where you're going to go financially inside of your life for you and your children. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. Every time I upload a video, go live, you'll be notified and get to follow me on my awesome journey as I continue to be in this awesome career industry of tax preparation. And so if you know you want to start your own tax preparation business, look in the mirror and tell yourself it's time to take action. It's time to stop BSing myself. It's time to stop using all these excuses on why I haven't done it yet. And reach out to me, give me a call, 773-782-1320. Sometime that number acts funny. I don't know why. It's a number I use for marketing inside my business that I use from my GoDaddy account. But if you have issues with that where it's recording, then just call me from my 312-522-0091, which is my actual cell phone number that you can reach me directly. Either way it go, make it happen, reach out to me. Take advantage of the special offer, which ends September the 6th, where if you purchase the guide, you get free access to Drake training or my tax prep office training. It depends on which one you want to do. And if you want to get all in and reach out to me and find out what it's going to take to join my mentorship and coaching program that's designed to help you start your own tax preparation business, where you get all these products and services and training included, then let's make it happen. Reach out to me. Let's talk. And I'll see you in my next video.